To outline text in Canva. Start by adding text to your design. Select the Text option from the left menu and choose the type of text you want to add, such as a heading. Type in your text and adjust the size as needed. Once you have your text box, select it to access the text menu at the top. Click on Effects, and then select Shadow from the Styles menu. This will add a second color to your text that is offset. Choose the color you want for the inside of the text, and then adjust the offset to 0, which will move the color to the inside of the outline. You can then change the thickness of the outline to your liking, making it big or small. To change the color of the outline, simply select the color of the text at the top menu. With these steps, you can easily outline your text in Canva.